Hey, what's up all you do-it-yourselfers? My name's Dylan Taylor. This is my workshop for now, and today we are going to be adding this side pouch to my nail bag, my tool belt, because, well, this side of it here has a hole in the bottom that I've been holding together with multiple layers of tuck tape. That being said, I'm going to swap this pouch out for this pouch. So the way that this belt actually goes together is really awesome, and I think that it might be not so good once I change this out. The inside of the belt portion right here, like when we actually put it on the belt, the inside of the belt portion of these bags, or yeah, these pouches on this bag, they have Velcro, so they stay where they're supposed to stay. Like, I can hold this up from one end of the belt and they don't slide down. So that's a feature that I really like. I'm thinking if I do like the new pouch, but I don't like it sliding around, I'm gonna find a way to just add Velcro to it, basically. So here's the old pouch. It looks weird. I mean, there is the mix match separate bag. It doesn't quite hang as low. Kind of got this this idea from a guy that we work with, Dave. Most of the time he has a nail bag that's two different pouches. When I saw this one pouch, I'm like, I could just change one pouch. It doesn't need to be both. So thanks, Dave, for the inspiration on this. Yeah, it is gonna cause some problems. See how it's pulling on the belt, not the interior support. It's pulling on the belt. I don't know if you can tell that. See how it's coming apart, whereas this one, see how the Velcro is still holding it on. I don't like that. I do really like the pouch. I'm gonna find a way to add Velcro to the back of that so that I can stick it on in one place and then it'll stay there. I'm probably not gonna reuse this belt. Honestly, I'm just gonna cut it out of this. Okay. So I got this this grommet setting tool and some grommets that are for Kydex. It's for putting, I believe, 2 layers of Kydex together. So they're like rivets, basically. And that's pretty much how the rest of this nail bag's held together, is by rivets. So we're gonna add some rivets. First off, we need leather punches, which are where? Oh, probably with the leather. This side. So I want to put it on right there. Use this this old slat of hardwood flooring here is what we're going to use. Slide that in there because I don't want to punch a hole right through the face of this belt. I only want to punch the hole through this back section. This back section here. I want it to line up pretty well right here. So that's where I'm going to put it. We'll put, honestly, 3 will do. So the first hole went right there. You can see it went through the leather as well. I'm gonna make sure that that stays lined up. I'm gonna put one more hole here and then one up here. I can't keep all of these lined up, so I'm gonna actually put the grommet rivet through these first 2, and then I'll do the third one. So I'm gonna push it up through the leather first. I think, yeah. Now I'm gonna push it up through the leather first. Pass this grommet through those 2 layers. Also gonna put the grommet through the center hole. That's going to prove to be a little bit more difficult. There we go. Well, that worked-ish. I have another idea. I'm gonna use a little bit of this right on here. and then I'm going to put it on here, and then I'm going to find something to hold this down. Look at that. Look at that. Hold it down like that. Alright, here we are back at it. And it's for the most part dry. Lay this across here. Make sure that that grommet goes in first. We've now added the Velcro to this nail bed. So I think I want it right about there. I think that is exactly where I wanted it. Now, it's not moving, it's not sliding back and forth. We got the Velcro on it, same as the last one. If I want to move it, I just gotta kind of get my fingers in there, peel the Velcro back, pull it away from the belt and slide it. Nonetheless, guys, that is going to be it for this video. It actually worked out way better than I thought it would. I'm super happy about this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys maybe learned something new. Huge thank you to my Patreon supporters on Patreon for helping me create these videos. And if you guys would also like to contribute, Patreon is an awesome way to do so, and I will put a card in the top corner of the screen here. You can click on it. That is going to be it for this video though, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you already subscribed, please share this video with a friend. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. We'll see you guys all next time. Peace out.